Remember, you don't have to. Don't feel like you do. You will need to push your chairs to one side though. Anyway, watch me again. I'm going to make myself small. My hands are going to gravitate towards the left because that's what's happened. So watch me here. Watch me this one last time. I have got my upper body weight over my hands. My hands are flat. I'm not on the fingertips. Hands are flat. My heels have risen. I pivot on my toes. I place myself on the left hip. Could be left, could be right, whichever happens. So that's the position I end up in. Both legs are bent, one on the floor, one up. Hand mid-thigh. I'm going to watch my palm. I'm going to bring it round, swivel on my toes, walk my hands back into my feet. Some of you are going to amaze yourselves. One of my 92-year-old ladies, she is a new member to my class, laughed when I showed this particular move, which I'm sure some of you have already done, like, no, it's not going to happen. However, she's completely surprised herself by getting it the first time and getting very excited. Yay, I did it! So you never know unless you give it a go. But please don't drop your body weight onto the hip. If you have doubt, I'm going to leave it up to you whether you want to give it a go today or maybe go to my YouTube channel, get your phone or your iPad, watch it at home, practice at home. Up to you.